I will change to 20mm needle spacing. The wider clamp is here. This system will work with any size. You'll be able to adjust from 6mm through to 50mm and any size in between. I start by opening the hooks and removing the feet. Remove the inner and outer foot. Next, remove the thread from the needle clamp. Using the special key, we will remove the needle clamp. Needle clamp removed. Next, I shall remove the needle plate. And the feed dog. Feed dog is now removed. To move the hooks, we just loosen the 4 screws, and you can see that the hooks will now slide very easily left and right, so we can move them out of the way. And we can now reinstate the new wider needle gauge. Push it all the way up to the top and tighten the screw. Bring the needles to the position where they align with the sewing hooks and simply just push the sewing hook up to the needle the correct distance. And you can see we have lots of movement, so we can change anywhere between 6mm and 50mm spacing. Once in the right position, you just tighten the screw. Bring this one up. And again, get it to the correct position. Tighten the screws. Now we reverse the process and reinstall the new needle system. First of all, we put the feed dog in. Pop in the new screws. Check the needles are in the centre of the feed dog. If you're happy, you just tighten them. Next we put the new plate on. Sure that it's located correctly. Two screws retain this. You notice we haven't had to do any retiming of the machine. We haven't even had to tip the machine back. Very easy and much quicker than the traditional method of loosening hook saddles, loosening gear screws, moving the gears, moving the hook gears, moving the hook saddles, then having to retime the machine. None of that is now needed to be done. The easiest system on the market. The only system on the market to change just by sliding the hooks. A true innovation from Solent. They're virtually there. Bring the bobbin threads to the correct position. Now I'm going to rethread the needles. We are now ready to sew.